The Ulta Beauty Clean and Fresh Hair Kit is available now for $29 with 11 curated essentials for a fresh hair start. If I am lucky enough to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. The kit includes Grande Cosmetics Grand Hair Enhancing Serum 0.1 ounce. It's a 10 clear miracle leave-in is 2 ounces. Curated Deep Hydration Flawless Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner, those are both 1 ounces. Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo, 1 ounce. Leve Intensive Repair Treatment Dix, 0.75 ounce. Mixed Chicks Replenishing Oil Full Size, 1.7 ounce. Scene Magic Serum, 0.04 ounce. Shampoo Hotel Miami Leave-In Conditioner, 0.67 ounce. Physical Thickening Shampoo, 1.7 ounce. Physical Strengthening Conditioner, 1.7 ounce. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. Hope you're having a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.